Pinnacle is the preferred BIM partner for rebar contractors and fabricators around the globe. Using traditional workflows, rebar contractors often face disruptions in their schedules and costs owing to inaccurate and incomplete drawings, constructability issues, lack of coordination, sudden design change, rework and material wastage. Pinnacle's Building Information Modeling integrated workflow eliminates cost overruns, delays, and expensive rework by providing code-compliant 3D models and shop drawings, accurate quantities, optimal material planning, value engineering, detailed documentation, and quick turnaround. At Pinnacle, we construct certainty with technology. With over the last 30+ years of experience, our team of over 4,100+ architects and engineers have completed more than 15,000+ projects across 43+ countries. Our services for rebar contractors: rebar pre-bid estimation, 3D modeling and inter-trade coordination, constructability review, shop drawing, bar bending schedule. Rebar pre-bid estimation. We generate accurate quotes to allow reinforcement contractors to secure competitive bids. 3D modeling and inter-trade coordination. From client inputs like contract drawings, we create accurate 3D models. Through BIM, we also facilitate inter-trade coordination between project stakeholders to resolve clashes and ensure error-free drawings. Constructability review. Through this process, our engineers determine the accuracy and reliability of construction documents for seamless construction. We check for operational issues. We provide feasible solutions to our clients, which eases the process of construction. The dowels projecting out of the foundation may cause injury or obstruct movement. Looking into that, we propose to use 180-degree hook or candy cane bars so as to avoid such issues. Code issues. As per the code, the minimum rebar leg value is 120 mm. The wall width in the IFC was 113 mm, which is insufficient to accommodate the rebar, resulting in the rebar projecting out of the concrete. We placed a suggestion before the client to use a different rebar arrangement to conform to the design requirement while resolving the issue. Data conflicts. In this project, the beam B11E shows a bottom additional bar in the first section, however the same is not available in the next section. Also, we noticed stirrup diameter mismatches between the first and second sections. At the time of issuing the RFI, Pinnacle also provides solutions for problems. We provided two 16 diameter bars at the bottom additional in B11E. For the stirrups, we used the larger diameter. Missing data. In this project, we were unable to find any details for the highlighted beam PB17. At the time of issuing the RFI, we proposed using the details of a similar beam like PB15 marked in the document. Input inconsistency. In the project, Pinnacle engineers noticed information provided for a beam following the typical elevation. However, we found no corollary in the other supplied documents. After issuing an RFI, the client was able to clarify the situation. Shop drawing. We deliver 2D drawings exclusively, as per the client's prescribed standards and requirements. Our involvement in crucial projects, like dams, nuclear reactors, airports, stadiums, tunnels gives us an upper hand. The shop drawings we deliver are dynamically generated from the 3D model. All changes to the model will automatically be reflected in the shop drawings. Standard 2D deliverables include column reinforcement drawing, foundation reinforcement drawings, beam reinforcement drawing, slab reinforcement drawing, stair reinforcement drawing, wall reinforcement drawing, bar bending schedule. Our bar bending schedules are generated from 3D models to facilitate the cutting and bending of rebars. The bar list data can be fed into automated machines to automate the process of cutting and bending rebars. We use all major software applications for rebar works, and we follow all industry standards codes. Here is what our clients say about us. Scott Pasternak says,
Our customer is very happy with the quick turnaround on shop drawings and attention to detail. They are very impressed with the drawings. Keep up the good work.
Stacy Soretti says,
Pinnacle has done a great job of creating RFIs when they're needed, learning from and applying feedback on all aspects of the project, and following up on issues.
Jason Kaze says,
Pinnacle performed very well, with a large number of changes on this project. All the section views and keys legends provided on the shop drawings met expectations and were outstanding.
Optimize your construction processes at pinnacleinfotech.com.